The Antlions has an appearance that at first glance is similar to a dragonfly because they both have a long abdomen and two pairs of transparent, vined wings on their thorax. It can be distinguished from a dragonfly by looking at its antennae, which are long and have slightly curved tips. Their average size is smaller, and their eyes are located on the sides of their head and are smaller than the eyes of a dragonfly. The retreat also cannot fly as fast and agile as a dragonfly because it is basically a weak flyer. The goiter has the Latin name Myrmeleon, and this animal belongs to the insecticide class, subclass Neuroptera, family Myrmeleontidae. Quoting the Journal of Biology and Biology Education Biosaintifika, the Latin name for undur-undur or Antlions, Myrmeleon, comes from the Greek Myrmex, ant, which means ant, and leon, lion, which means lion, Pantaleoni et al. 2012. This shows that the Antlions has an ant-like shape and its nature likes to prey on animals that are smaller in size, likened to lions. In general, the larvae are as long as a human fingernail, approximately 1.5 centimeters, 0.6 inch. The adult stage, dragonfly, is approximately 4 centimeters, 1.5 inches, long. The Antlions are a group of about 2,000 species of insect in the neuropteran family Myrmeleontidae. They are known for the predatory habits of their larvae, which mostly dig pits to trap passing ants or other prey. In North America, the larvae are sometimes referred to as doodlebugs because of the marks they leave in the sand. The adult insects are less well known due to their relatively short lifespans compared to the larvae. Adults, sometimes known as Antlion lacewings, mostly fly at dusk or just after dark and may be mistakenly identified as dragonflies or damselflies. Antlions have a worldwide distribution. The greatest diversity occurs in the tropics, but a few species are found in cold temperate locations, one such being the European Myrmeleon nostras. They most commonly occur in dry and sandy habitats where the larvae can easily excavate their pits, but some larvae hide under debris or ambush their prey among leaf litter. Antlions are poorly represented in the fossil record. Myrmeleontiformia is generally accepted to be a monophyletic group, and within the Myrmeleontidae, the Antlions' closest living relatives are thought to be the owlflies, Ascalaphed. A 2019 study finds Myrmeleontidae to be monophyletic, aside from Stilboctrigon and Palperin, which form separate clades closer to Ascalaphed. The predatory actions of the larvae have attracted attention throughout history, and Antlions have been mentioned in literature since classical times. Turtles can be found in hidden places in sandy areas such as sandy dirt floors, river banks, on the edge of trees, under fences or on roofs. This animal is also often found in fine sandy areas or soil in open and dry forests. The area must be protected from direct sun, wind and rain. Lamascolo, 2001. And there are many reasons for health, some of which are outlined below. 1. Treating stroke. The Antlions can treat deadly diseases such as stroke. So, if someone in your family, closest person or neighbor is affected by this disease, then give them retreat to treat it. 2. Treating diabetes. The Antlions has long been used in China as a raw material for making diabetes medicine. The method is to make Antlions powder, then put the powder into a capsule and then consume it. 3. Treating high blood pressure. High blood pressure occurs due to an increase in blood pressure beyond normal limits. The substances contained in Antlions are able to reduce blood pressure in the human body. 4. Treating rheumatism and gout. The Antlions is able to improve the human immune system. In a condition where the body is weak and limp, that's where the role of retreat is, so that the body that feels achy, stiff, sore and in pain will be relieved. 5. Treating asthma. Asthma is a disease related to the respiratory tract. Asthma cannot be cured but can be controlled so that it does not recur. The Antlions can help improve swelling that occurs in the lungs, thereby reducing the risk of asthma. 6. Treating jaundice. Jaundice occurs due to a buildup of yellow substance in the body. The Antlions can treat jaundice by preventing the breakdown of red blood cells. 7. Reduces bad cholesterol in the body. Excessive cholesterol will result in poor health. This cholesterol comes from food and is produced by the liver. Benefits. The Antlions is able to work to reduce the production of lipid substances in the liver so that it can reduce high cholesterol. So to overcome cholesterol you only need to consume Antlions. The Antlions larvae are omnivorous, usually eating ants or other insects. According to the Kusuma Medical Scientific Journal September 2020, undur-undur contains the active substance sulfonylurea which has anti-hyperglycemic, antioxidant and antibacterial effects. The Antlions also has a compound similar to metformin which can lower blood sugar. The benefits of undur-undur depend on the active substance sulfonylurea content. This substance is known to be able to facilitate the work of the pancreas in producing insulin. When insulin in the human body decreases while blood glucose levels increase day by day, an imbalance will occur, where insulin as the body's energy producer will decrease so that the body will be more susceptible to disease. Currently in Indonesia there have been several scientific studies that examine the benefits of retreat against diabetes mellitus. The results obtained from these studies are quite promising, with the majority finding that there are indeed benefits of Antlions as an alternative medicine for diabetes mellitus. Based on research conducted by Tias Kurniasih from Gajah Mada University entitled Study of the Potential of Undur-undur Darat or Antlions, Myrmeleon, 2006, it is known that the sulfonylurea substance in Antlions works by facilitating the work of the pancreas in producing insulin. In this case, insulin is used to lower blood sugar levels, which is a problem for people with diabetes mellitus. The sulfonylurea contained in Antlions is the same substance as the sulfonylurea that has been used in artificial diabetes mellitus drugs. Sulfonylureas in the form of oral antidiabetics, substances that function to lower blood glucose, are only suitable for treating type 2 diabetes mellitus because the way they work improves the work of the pancreas in secreting insulin, whereas in people with type 1 diabetes mellitus, the pancreas is no longer able to produce insulin permanently. Given its small size, the turtle is an animal whose existence is not given enough attention even though it is widely circulated around humans. Especially in rural areas where there are lots of sandy yards or in places with loose and smooth soil. If there are holes like upside-down cones, then that is the habitat of the ground turtle. As an alternative medicinal ingredient, the Antlions is also inexpensive and free from dangerous chemicals. It is for this reason that retreat is being looked at as an alternative treatment option. If you are still confused about how to consume it so that the benefits of undur-undur as a medicine are easy to obtain, here is the explanation. 1. China is known to have used Antlions as a raw material for making diabetes mellitus medicine by processing it into powder. This undur-undur powder is then put into capsules and sold for consumption. 2. The people of the Karimun Java Islands traditionally use Antlions as an alternative medicine and consume it in the form of juice mixed with bananas as a medicine to lower blood sugar. 3. Consume Antlions with garlic. 3 undur-undur tails can be eaten directly in the morning, afternoon and evening, plus 2 cloves of single garlic in the morning, 2 cloves in the afternoon and 2 cloves in the afternoon. In China, retreats are priced at fantastic prices. The fantastic price is commensurate with the benefits contained in each retreat. The fantastic price is commensurate with the benefits contained in each retreat. Even in panda country, jellyfish are highly sought after as traditional medicine. As adapted from ilmukeshatan.com, this turtle meat is commonly used as bird feed because it is believed to make birds grow faster and become louder. Undur-undur is usually recognized as being able to treat diabetes because it has medicinal properties. Apart from that, the benefits of retreat are also believed to be able to cure hypertension, asthma, gout, and various other types of health problems ranging from mild to severe. Apart from that, retreats are also often used as bird food, which is believed to be healthy and help them grow faster and make louder sounds. One of the birds that is generally fed by turtles is caser, magpie batu, pigeon, plessy, and turtle dove. The Antlions is a kind of animal that has a unique appearance and walking steps backwards. In some areas, this animal has many nicknames, one of which is rot-sauret, undur-undur, and it may not be the same in the location where you live. As for their living habitat, turtle doves are very easy to find in dry, dusty and sandy environments. The nest is round and conical at the bottom. For the characteristics of the animal and the shape of the nest, perhaps you can see the image excerpt that we have prepared above. Apart from having quite a lot of benefits for the health of the human body, retreats are very easy to find in the environment, usually during the dry season. So, we can optimize all the benefits that we might need as a herbal medicine that is rich in benefits. Even though it is a small animal and is not consumed very often, the meat of turtle doves actually has enormous benefits for the health of the body. The Antlions meat is known to cure diabetes, asthma, gout and various other diseases.